Hey everybody, it's me again, Adolphus Gaming, and today I'm going to interview another video, another wrestler. He is brand new, and I personally love this figure because I've never ever found it, I've never seen it, so it's brand new. It is the first time in the line. Introducing the Junkyard Dog. Look at this man! By God. The Junkyard Dog. So I'm gonna do some unboxing and see this figure in personal because honestly this is amazing. And no, wait, that's not what I wanted to do. Take off the price. It's not $20. Right, anyway. Yay, sorta. No. Okay, so that was a fail. Anyway, so he is the Junkyard Dog from circa 1986. He was inducted to the Hall of Fame in 2004. That is his career highlight. He is from Charlotte, North Carolina. That's his logo. His signature move is Thump Power Slam. He is 280 pounds, 6'3", and in his WWE debut, 1984. And his entrance theme, Grab Them Kicks. These are also some other WWE wrestlers: Roman Reigns, X-Pac, Cesaro, Seth Rollins, and Batista. So let's get rolling on this unboxing. So if I could just unbox this. How do I unbox this? Alright, so and then from up here. This is taking me so long. I'm sorry if this is taking long because I am not good at unboxing, honestly, in front of a camera too. So okay, I got it. Okay, so now unbox this. Ding, 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 like a boss. Ding, ding, ding. Yay! Okay, so here we go. The Junkyard Dog right in front of my eyes. This is amazing. I mean, honestly, this is something huge that, honestly, I've never seen in my life. So, if I could just take him out again. Here we go. So this is beginning to work. Oh, sorry. Alright, so here he is. The Junkyard Dog. Amazing looking figure. Look at this thing. Anyway, so also it came with this. So if I could just take it, it's like a dog collar, sort of, like a dog collar, maybe. Yeah, and it comes with that metal chain thing. Maybe if I take out, no, it's not gonna work. I can't. I'm having so much. Okay. We can just. Oh, I see what I have to do to succeed in life. If I ever want to be a grown man that people love, I must achieve. Yeah, okay. That was a fail. obviously. It was stuck. Dude, it's stuck here. That's horrible. That's so bad. Oh my god. Okay, well, that's gonna... Okay, there. Oh, haha. Look at that. Swinging, swinging, swinging. So, yeah. I guess you can put it on him. Apparently, that's what you have to do. Like that, maybe? And then put that metal chain on him. There. He looks much better. In much better conditions and hands. Look at that. Yes. I think so. Okay, so anyway, thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe because I will doing more of these WWE action figures later. And so yeah, thank you for watching. Bye everybody.